3, 2, 1.
Who holds the record for fastest 100-meter sprint? The answer is B. Floyd Little. From which fruit was marmalade originally made? The answer is A. Quince. In what U.S. city is there a statue of fictional boxer Rocky Balboa, portrayed by Sylvester Stallone in the Rocky movies? The answer is B. Philadelphia. What's the world's largest desert by area? The answer is A. Sahara. Which food is called macaroni in French? The answer is A. Pasta. Weathering is fundamental to the creation of what, which exists as a very thin layer over solid rock? The answer is B. Soil. In which situation might most rescues be conducted via air? The answer is B. Flooding. In Harry Potter, what is the name of the wizarding school that Harry attends? The answer is A. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. What term refers to an animal that sleeps during the day and is active at night? The answer is B. Nocturnal. What form does water take on the planet Mars? The answer is C. Ice. Yeah, blindfolds, just like Pin the Tail on Us, or the donkey, is a quote from an American lead vocalist and musician of a heavy metal band. Who is he? The answer is D. Vince Neil. The Veyron is a model of which supercar brand? The answer is A. Bugatti. What gives off light? The answer is A. Scorching logs. Which fashion movement emphasizes individuality and self-expression? The answer is D. Bohemian. During a presentation on astronomy, Professor Williams discussed various measurements in space. Which objects was she referring to when she talked about how astronomical units O were determined? The answer is A. The Sun and Earth. In which movie does Wesley Snipes play a half-human and half-vampire who protects humans against vampires? The answer is B. Blade. Which great 20th century mathematician died because he refused to eat? The answer is A. Kurt Gödel. The language Zulu belongs to which language family? The answer is B. Niger-Congo. Which operating system was launched in 1985 by Microsoft? The answer is B. DOS. The Greek god Apollo accidentally killed his friend Hyacinthus with what? The answer is B. A discus. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird and Go Set a Watchman? The answer is C. Harper Lee. Monosaccharides, particularly glucose, are major nutrients for what? The answer is B. Cells. What is the speed at which light travels in vacuum? The answer is C. 300 million meters per second. What is the primary function of a microprocessor? The answer is C. Processing instructions. Who was the Egyptian god of wisdom, magic, writing, and medicine? The answer is B. Thoth. What is a boxer's head protection called? The answer is C. Pad. What branch of the military did Edgar Allan Poe enlist in? The answer is A. U.S. Army. Which of these is not a part of a computer? The answer is D. Microscope. The capital of the United Kingdom is. The answer is A. London. Which scientist discovered the structure of DNA? The answer is D. Rosalind Franklin. What is considered to be a person's entire genetic information? The answer is A. Genome. Which author wrote Ulysses? The answer is B. James Joyce. What is the unit of measuring computer memory known as? The answer is C. Gigabytes. Which is the largest kingdom in terms of species diversity? The answer is A. Animalia. What is the popular puzzle game with falling blocks? The answer is B. Tetris. Scanning acoustic microscopes use what kind of waves to scan a specimen? The answer is C. Sound waves. Which element has the highest atomic number? The answer is A. Hydrogen. What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees, up, it cannot go, and yet in the ground it stands? The answer is B. Mountain. What is deuterium oxide commonly known as? The answer is B. Heavy water. A student is asked to bring something that feels rough to class. Which would be best for him to bring? The answer is C. Sandpaper. Which spacecraft was the first to reach Pluto? The answer is A. New Horizons. How many books are in the Harry Potter series?
The answer is B. 7.
Connecticut's state hero is Nathan Hale. Who is the state heroine? The answer is B. Prudence Crandall. Early blastomers can form what if isolated? The answer is B. A complete embryo. How many spin-off series did the Mary Tyler Moore Show have? The answer is D. 3. Filter feeders, such as sponges, pump water into their body through what structures? The answer is C. Pores. Where was Joan of Arc captured by Burgundian forces? The answer is C. Campigny. Which one is a type of chair with a high back and wide arms? The answer is A. Barber's chair. What is the name for the division of the cytoplasm in eukaryotic cells resulting in two genetically identical daughter cells? The answer is D. Cytokinesis. What fruit can be eaten for months?